Did you know that Highland Campervans Workshop is the only approved fixed workshop for motorhome, campervans and caravans in the Scottish Highlands? Help us celebrate the dedication, hard work and expertise of our team by voting for Highland Campervans as AWS Workshop of the Year 2025.
Hi, I'm Mark, the Workshop Manager of Highland Campervans. We're asking all of our customers to see if you would be prepared to vote for us for the Approved Workshop Scheme's Workshop of the Year 2025.
Our team of qualified technicians are dedicated and passionate about getting you safely back on the road. Whether you're one of our regular customers or you are visiting the Highlands in your vehicle, we are here for you, offering fast, reliable support to help keep your adventures on the road. Our workshop controller Dommy keeps our workshop operating smoothly, ensuring every job runs like clockwork and making sure nothing is overlooked. Emma is our dedicated parts specialist. Emma goes the extra mile to source the parts and accessories you need for your leisure vehicles. So show your support and head over to the Approved Workshop website now at approvedworkshops.co.uk and vote today. We appreciate your support.
Vote for us!